what I'm saying? You get some of that quadruple.
But I was just looking behind our camp and I noticed these track marks. Because they drove into our camp. But then they split here. Now, let's see if you guys can notice something that I thought was weird, curious. I don't know if you can even see what I'm trying to see here. But right where my finger is, that branch doing that, this branch doing this, the branch way back there doing it, another one there, and this one. This is where the truck tires lead to. And there's another one here. And then if I go further back, there's a few back there too. Just wondering if those are just put there so nobody gets lost, or those are markers for something. Maybe somebody out there can leave in the comments what that is. Is that an old trick? Old camping trick? An old scouts trick? Boy Scouts trick? Is that an old military trick so you don't get lost in the forest? Yeah, so we're out here and there's the camp. So if anybody knows what that is, let me know. I have a feeling it's just so they can find their way back, because the tire tracks, they come all the way here and then they go back into there, right in there. But it's pretty quiet here, eerily quiet. Last night was a little sketchy. I was up at 4:20 because the truck pulled up not too close to us, but a good distance, and left the lights on for an hour. So I was up for about an hour just watching, just to make sure, you know, because you don't know why people are coming up here at that time in the middle of the week. And I don't care to know. Just leave me alone and I'll leave you alone. But yeah, they were there till about noon today. I didn't get much sleep last night. So yeah, if you guys know what those little branches are doing up on the tree like that, let me know.